What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We've got some good news for you guys. So, those of you that have been along this entire tiresome yet entertaining journey knows that we had one goal and one goal only when we picked up the BADAD and put it together, and that was to be the fastest stock block, stock blower Trackhawk in the world. And as of today, mid-October, we are proud to say that we did it. But more so, and even cooler than that, come to find out, we broke an even bigger record. We are now the quickest and fastest blower-only Trackhawk in the world. Regardless of the fact that we did it with stock block, stock wheels and tires, unopened, unported blower, that only makes it that much more impressive. That to the fact we've got a leathered out glass roof tow package Trackhawk that's a lot heavier than everybody else going for the record. I am very happy with myself, with my team, and what we were able to accomplish. A lot of people thought it wasn't possible. Heck, halfway through it, I thought it wasn't possible. We made some big changes. We switched from Diablo to HP tuner so that we could get a dialed in TCM tune. And I guess other than that, I guess you can't really say we made any other big changes, because the truck that ran the 9.8 is the exact same truck that you guys have been seeing in all the previous videos. We didn't add not a single bolt, not a single part, nothing changed in the setup. My decision to move from Diablo to HP had nothing to do with my tuners. I have a great relationship with my tuners. I'm not mentioning the name simply because I know how the internet works and people want to make something out of nothing. My Diablo tuner is an amazing tuner, the best at what he does on that platform, period. The stuff that they've accomplished, he and his team, it's to be commended, and that's why I went with them and that platform, and we use that on like a lot of our other Hellcats and things like that, because it's proven. As with anything that we do, nothing that we do is done without first testing, researching. The proof is in the pudding. One of the things, as of right now, that Diablo lacked was the ability to dial in a TCM tune that I wanted to do. And I've probably put an extra 600 plus, 700 plus miles on my truck, all because of its inability to change my gear ratio and allow me to properly set the fact that my nittos are about 2 inches shorter than the OEM. So those factors alone were why I made the switch from Diablo to HP. Don't make anything else of it. Don't try and post up blah, blah, blah. The fact is, this is a fact. I was the world's fastest Diablo tuned Trackhawk. That is a fact. And as the world's fastest Diablo tuned Trackhawk, I put the smacking on a lot of HP tuned and other company tuned Trackhawks as well. So that's not saying that the Diablo tuner is not capable, and it's not to say that those revisiting this video at a later date, that Diablo hasn't added those changes in. Who knows, this record might get broken by Diablo tuned Trackhawk, who knows. But as of the date of this video, those were the reasons that I made that change, nothing else. Now, with respect to the current tuner and what we're doing right now, he wanted to be left out of that whole Diablo versus HP battle. I want to be left out of the whole Diablo versus HP battle. All you guys really need to know in that sense is why it was done. And the reason that it was done is because there are a few other features, a few more things that HP is up on right now that maybe in the future Diablo will be able to be capable of those things and be able to do the same. But you can go back and watch previous videos, compare, and make your own decision. Make your own observation without me telling you anything. And you'll be able to see some of the benefits that we had. Now, let's get into the good stuff. Before we do that, I want to say a big thanks to all of you guys who have met us at the track, that have came to us and told us that these videos motivated them. The information and the stuff that we found out in the various communities have helped them get their trucks to be faster, their vehicles, their projects, or if we just simply are entertaining you guys, that's all we really want to do. That's our main focus. You know, I run a shop, and there's a reason you don't see many shop owners, if any, doing YouTube stuff, is it's time consuming, and it's a passion. You know, my sales aren't generated through YouTube views. They're generated through what I do at the track and what type of cars I put out. So when you need to focus your timing on stuff like that, that's why I fortunately have a very long commute, and it allows me to talk to you guys in this media. And being able to do that allows me to stay in contact with you guys, because once I hit the shop, then it's all hands on deck. I also want to thank my team, my guys there over at Overkill, Justin, the rest of the original GoPro Everything crew, now the Overkill Everything crew, the support that's been there to help us capture all this and continue and bringing you this and bringing you all this stuff. Like, none of us knew when we swapped over to this that we'd be bringing you information like this. Like, we want to let you guys know we're bringing you that great kind of content. We've made big changes to be able to do that. Now we have the resources and the access to a lot funner, bigger events, bigger access, SEMA access, world record breaking. That's the kind of stuff we want to bring to you guys. And at the same time, show you guys some DIY stuff and other videos that are definitely around the corner on the way. So thanks for being patient. Make sure you subscribe and share, because it's only going to get better from here. We're in the talks with a lot of companies about bringing you guys some even cooler reviews and doing even more as we get back into the Trackhawk, the Talons, the MR2s, the everything, drift, race, DIYs, car shows, events. We'll be there for you guys. So, I want to dedicate this run to not only us, our families, the clients, but you guys. You guys are why we do this. A big part of why we do this. Not the only reason why. Of course, I want to do it myself. But you guys are a big part. And the encouragement you give us when you meet us at the meets, when you guys communicate and stay in contact with us, we enjoy that. So always, comment below if you guys have anything else you want to see, any questions at hand, ask us. Proof is in the pudding. You can take whoever's opinion for whatever you want, but you're gonna see on this channel that we're gonna do what we gotta do and show you the proof. And anytime you guys comment below, we see the comments. We do our best to try and get back to you guys and return those messages, DMs. Check us out on our other social media platforms. OverkillEverything on Instagram. Also Overkill Performance. At I'm a Bad Dad for the build specific to this truck. And you guys will see a lot more to come. So thank you guys. And as I said before, we broke a world record. Stay tuned.
Woo! It's right there. Yeah! 9.9, my friend.
992. 992.
Woo! 9.9.
Yeah, buddy.
What?
Yes. Check that bad boy out right there. Yes, that is the world's fastest full option stock block, stock blower, unopened Trackhawk in the world right now. Right there. I did that on.
Hold it still.
There we go. Check that out.
Oh yeah.
I did that on 20-inch OEM wheels, unopened blower. Man, it feels good. All my team. Shout out to Kevin. Shout out to Adrian. Shout out to Justin, Eddie, my wife.
Shout out
Everybody
to my mama.
else's. It feels good to finally see this 9-second pass. Shout out to Jimmy. He's out here killing it too. So the crew earned that. We earned that. Yeah, buddy.
boy. Get him. Get him. Woo!
This chicken head here, my talent that ain't even running out here. That's my boy. I'm happy for him. But me and Justin in our mind, we're like, hope he don't do good. I hope he don't do good. I can't run that. He can't be running that. Could have done better. He could have done better.
Right?
Follow me at Hard Fight. Shout out to Joe doing his thing.
Yup.
Did good tonight.
Yup.
Sneak
Gotcha.
in, guys. Give me a win. Overkill performance. I got like 15 minutes left.
Yeah.
I'm ready. I got my helmet in the car too. I'm ready to go.